Hi learners, I'm so glad you're here. Are you ready to get started? Today, we will be reviewing all of the things we learned during this cycle. We will practice decoding and spelling.
Materials!
For today, you will need to grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Here are today's two learning targets. I can read silly CVC, CCVC, and CVCC words. And I can spell CVC, CCVC, CVCC, and high frequency words. Here we go.
Transition song.
Gather round together to read silly words. They may sound a little strange, strange, strange. They may sound a little strange, 'cause that's how they're arranged.
Word work.
We are going to practice reading some words, but they aren't just any words. They are silly words. But even if we don't know them, we can use what we know to help us decode them. Let's look at the first one together. Yikes! What is that word? There is a part that I am familiar with. I know that CK says K. Let me try tapping it out. G, A, K. Gawk. That sure was a silly word. Try it with me. G, A, K. Gawk. Here is another silly word. What do you notice about it? Are there parts that you already know? That's right. WH is a digraph that says W. Let's tap this one out together. W, ab, wab. Excellent job decoding those silly words with me. We just practiced reading silly words. Now we will practice spelling silly words. This is where you get to choose a style that sounds exciting to you. There's underwater style, there's opera voice style, whisper style, and even explosion style, where your voice gets louder. Let's look at the first one together. Take a peek at these letters. Choose a style and let's do it together. Here we go. B, A, C, K. That's right. That's the word back. Here is our next word. And you can choose a style and I'll listen to you spell it. Go ahead. That word, S-H-O-C-K, spells shock. That has the digraph SH at the beginning and the digraph CK at the end. Great work spelling with style.
Transition song.
It's time to spell and decode to show what we're learning. It's time to spell and decode to show what you've learned.
Fluency.
Now we are going to practice reading some words. These words all have the patterns that we've been learning this week. That includes the digraph WH, W, and the digraph CK, K. There are a few challenge words thrown in here also. Just do your very best, okay? Take a peek at our first word. rack. That's right, locking. This word is thanked. If you cover up that ed ending, you see the word thank. Put the ed at the end and it says thanked. Just a few more words. Keep doing your best. Which. When. That's one of our high frequency words that plays fair. Why. That's another high frequency word. That one plays fair and has the sly Y at the end. Gives. Who. What. Where. Excellent job doing your best to read those words. Some you could decode, and others were our new high frequency words. I'm really proud of you.
Writing.
It's time to grab your paper and your pencil. We are going to do our spelling review. These words all have something that we've worked on this week together. Just do your very best to listen to each sound in the word and write the letter that matches. Remember to take your time, and you can tap out the word to listen closely to each sound. The first word is get. I will get a prize. Get. Our second word is chin. When she fell, she bumped her chin. Chin. Our third word is backs. They had their backs to me when we were standing in line. Backs. Here's our last word. It's a challenge word. You can do it. The word is wished. I wished we had a snow day. Wished. All right, writers, let's take a peek and compare your words to how I have them spelled. Get. G-E-T. G-et. Chin had that digraph CH at the beginning that said ch. The word back has a S at the end. There's a CK that says K. And finally, there's the word wished. If you cover up that ED, you'll see the word wish with that digraph SH. And then, to make it say wished, you add the ending ED. How did you do? Think about what you did well and kiss your brain. And then think about what you want to keep working on.
Closing reflection.
Today, we worked hard to review all the things we've been working on this cycle. There's the digraph WH and the digraph CK. And we listened closely to the sounds in words so that we could decode them and write them. What do you want to keep working on from this cycle? You did some amazing, amazing work this week. I'm so proud of you. Go ahead and take a little stretch. You can do a victory dance. And then we will continue working together next time.